Okay, this is a quick video to show you that the new miner has been released is LOL Miner new version, and this version we can mine any LHR card 100%, so we can unlock it 100%. For this, what you have to do is, right now I'm on Ubuntu 22.04, so one of the latest release, but if you have any other Ubuntu version with Nvidia drivers installed, it should work the same way for you. So I'm just gonna go to the browser, and then we're gonna go to the link to the GitHub page of the LOL Miner. For that LOL Miner GitHub, and then from here you can download the latest version. You see here LOL Miner 1.50 public beta, 100% LHR mining unlock. So go to the assets and here select the version depending on the operating system that you have. In my case, I have Ubuntu, but if you have Windows, it should work the same way. Just download it for your Windows operating system. Just click on that. Once the files download, I'm gonna go to a folder. And then here we have the miner. We're gonna extract it. Go inside. And first of all, we're gonna test if the miner is being unlocked or not. So the GPU I have here is a RTX 3080 Ti. So you can see here it's a 3080 Ti. You have a 12 gigs of memory. So you're gonna see that once we launch the miner. And in my case, depending on the website, they said that this should work on 510 Nvidia driver version, but in my case I have the latest, which is 515, and it works just fine. So when we open the terminal inside the folder, for that you go to the folder, you click on any space here, and then right click and then open in the terminal. Once you are inside, then we're gonna see all the miners available, and to launch we're gonna do a // to execute the miner. So we're gonna mine Ethereum. Now press enter and it's gonna start doing. As you can see here, the GPU is a 3080 Ti. And this GPU usually can do like 86 without any overclocking. Of course, if you overclock, it can go up to 100 and something. But before, this GPU could only do 86, 87, and when the lock was applied, we went down up to 56 or 60. So we lost a lot of performance. It was a like intermediate level unlocker that they have, but that will give you maybe 60 something or 70 at maximum, even with overclock apply. This one, as you can see here, is going to start checking the hash rate on the GPU, and it's going to detect if it's LHR and it's going to unlock it for you. It does everything automatically. You don't have to pass any parameter or anything. So we start 59. Before, that was the hash rate we were getting with the lock. I'm going to put it here on the side so you can see the GPU utilization. Right now we got 65 Celsius, and the memory being used is 6 GB. So keep that in mind. If your card is less than 6 GB, you might have a problem to mining. Right now we have 60 mega hashes here, and that's what you're getting. But the software, it will detect it right now. It takes around 30 seconds to detect. So as you can see here, need to recalibrate unlocker. Doing so right now. So already the hash rate is going up. And keep in mind, it's very important, if you're doing any overclock setting, it needs to be applied before you launch the miner. So the way you do is you apply the overclock setting and then you launch the miner. This needs to happen before the 30-second when the miner kicks in. So you can see here, initial LHR calibration completed. And let's see how many hash rate we're gonna get now. Already 77 up, and we should be getting like 80 something, 81. So we went from 60 and it keeps stable to 81, 82. Of course, this is without any overclocking. It keeps very stable to 81, and then you can apply overclock setting. For example, CPU clock is gonna be 0 or minus 100. Memory clock you can do 2000 or 2500 depending on your GPU. And the TDP on this card is gonna be 350. So once you reach those parameters on the overclocking, you should be getting around 105, 110 mega hashes on the 3080 Ti. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any comment, leave it below, and I see you on the next one.